Hello everyone, this is Oliver from Oliver Travels. I'm just at the Kongen Marina, about a 15 minutes walk from the Oslo city center. It's a beautiful area with a lot of sailboats. Of course, they have a sauna, a restaurant and everything. So I'm gonna show you a little bit around in this area, and I'm gonna take you on a little walk down to Skøyen and Sjølyst. So come with me.
Golden smiles and flickering lights, it's all chemical. And you can't get out for the rest of your life. You'll be stuck inside these walls. Apologize and get on with the lies. You have known it all before. And you leave again, disappear into the night, getting closer, and they crawl into your side, and they say the killers live alone, the killer will make you strong. Darker clouds cover the sky, keep your head down low. Turn around and walk to the sound of the radio. I keep getting high to hide the words you said and all the love we shared. I keep getting stronger to make everything pass when you're not there. You're not there. Let me say your prayer. And you leave again, disappear into the night, getting closer, and they crawl into your side, and they say the killers live alone, the killer will make you strong. Keep getting hard to hide the words you say, keep getting hard to hide the words you said and all the love we shared.
End of the road for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and push a little like on this video if you like it. I appreciate it. See you around, guys.